This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing an engine and creating a focused project. Pick Unity or a C hash-capable Godot build, set the 2D or 3D template, then establish resolution and input schemes. Once done, write a one-page core loop plan describing player actions, game responses, and progression. Make a repository, branch model, and commit an initial scene with placeholder assets so you can iterate quickly and avoid design drift. You now implement core mechanics and the architecture that will hold them. Start with a clear component or MVC structure so logic is modular. That makes later changes safer. Implement player controls, physics interactions, and a state machine for behaviors, testing each feature with focused commits. Once stable, add UI, sound, and reusable prefabs. Then profile and optimize CPU or memory hotspots to keep frame rates steady as content grows. You finish by polishing, packaging, and verifying stability. Iterate on visuals and tuning, then create platform builds, set input mapping, and configure quality presets for performance. Run automated tests and playtests to catch regressions, make a release checklist, and tag a stable commit. If something breaks, simplify to a minimal repro scene, attach a step-through debugger, and inspect logs to isolate the cause. This method speeds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.